Okay, so anyways, today is the 14th of January, and so we're getting a lot of work done here. I've talked to Robert, the plumber, and he cleaned it all up nice and neat. He did a wonderful job. And so tomorrow we'll be in here tearing up some of this stuff, laying it out for the framing. And we're going to move forward on this, but this is nice and clean. A clean house is a safe house.
Yep.
So there we go. We got some pipe in the wall, but we're going to be having more of it tomorrow. That's the backing for the fixtures there for the sink, and this will be tied in sometime next week. We should have a lot done. All the bottom parts are done. The main drain. We just got to wait to inspect it and test it and see what a nice job. This is how my jobs need to be. Always. No exceptions. So here we go. This is going to be inside here. We're going to start working on the HVAC to run all the way back there. Okay. This is where they tie into the sewer. So we're going in here. There we go. And that'll be that. Nice job. Clean. I'm meeting with my framer tomorrow, 4 o'clock. Here we are with the barriers. Okay, and then let's see, walk back in. This really helps me right here. This is nitro cold brew, Starbucks. All right, we'll see you later.
All right, Gabe, I'll see you in a bit.
See ya.
I'll be here again.
Thank you.
Send these pictures to Robert real quick.
I appreciate it. What's the plan tomorrow, do you know?
Not too sure. I know he's doing an emergency job right now.
Okay. I'll be calling him later tonight or tomorrow,
Okay.
and we'll go from there.
I'll let him know.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, is there anything else you guys need here? Everything's good?
Everything's good so far?
Okay. Thank you. You have my number, right?
Yeah, I got your number.
Good. Okay.
Yeah, I was on the text you.
Thank you. Yeah, call me if there's anything you think I ought to be aware of.
Okay.
You know what I mean? If there's somebody, something,
Okay,
whatever.
The other contractor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
All right, Gabe.
See you, buddy. You too. Hey, do you like Red Bulls?
Red Bulls, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I got one for you at the truck.
All right. Yeah, I got this cardboard here so I kind of wipe my feet off.
Oh, yeah.
Get,
Transfer
dust
that.
down through this.
Yeah. So we're gonna just move this a little bit here. All right. Where did you park? Is that your silver truck outside?
Here in the front,
Okay. All right. So this is the area where the ground's lifting.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It's picking up.
Yeah, there was.
Looks like